guys have been asking for it, and now is finally the time when I feel comfortable giving y'all a pool update. This pool started about a year ago. I think it was May of 2021, and now we're in almost June of 2022. And we've learned so much about pool install. You guys have seen all the videos that we've done about choosing the color and various different things that we've done along the way, but it's time for me to give you kind of a reflection back on how it all went down. Of course, the pool contractor came in here, did a lot of plaster, but that's just where it started. After that, it was on us. We couldn't put chemicals back in the pool, which we have a salt pool, but we had to be super careful with the plaster for about the first month. Then after that, we weren't really sure about how to get the chemicals all set. Another thing that we missed was with this Diamond Brite plaster, you have to scrub it with a steel brush consistently for a couple of weeks to get what they call the cream off the top. We didn't know that, and we didn't do that. So basically over the winter time, we weren't caring for it properly. We didn't get the chemicals back, and come spring, we had terrible stains in the pool. And that's the big reason why we never showed an after, was we had these crazy brown stains that we discovered were actually a metal stain. Then we couldn't figure out why there was metal in the pool. There was just problem after problem with this plaster. Everyone rants and raves about Diamond Brite, but to be honest, I'm not sure I would choose it again. I probably would have gone with a regular, typical, just plain plaster that didn't have the aggregate in it. But that's hindsight, right? And hopefully my experience will be something that you guys can consider if you're doing your own pool. We probably would have gone with plain plaster. Of course, it would have been white, but it would have given us almost the same color that we have here. So they say that Diamond Brite is supposed to last longer. You don't have to replaster for 10 years. Instead of with the plaster, it might be 5 to 7 years. Who knows how that would have all turned out. So we finally have it all under control. We were able to get all the metal out of the pool and bring it back to its original, you know, beautiful blue color that it's supposed to be when it has this oyster color Diamond Brite in it. But I just want to give you guys the warning that do a ton of research, ask your pool installer a lot of questions about what to do right after you have it installed in the coming months to make sure that you are able to swim in it, because it's about a year later and we're finally getting around to being comfortable with letting the kids swim around in the pool and know that it's actually in the place it needs to be. So if you have any questions, comment below. I'm happy to share any knowledge that I can with you about what we've learned over the last year of pool plaster install.